What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes. And have you ever noticed this situation? Imagine that you apply some link into a post that you write or into a page of your site, and here is the link, for example, and if the user clicks on the link, it simply leaves your site and go to the other website. Even if the other website is good, if you like the other website, you may not want that the user leaves your site. Maybe if you open this link into a new browser tab, for example. So into this video, you're gonna learn how to set external links on our WordPress website to open into a new browser tab, a new browser window, okay? So before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content with a friend of yours. I have no idea how much it helps us, because we bring daily videos about WordPress, SEO, plugins, optimizations, and many more topics in order to use internets on your site's favor. So let's get this started. First thing, let's locate where you want to apply your link. In my case, it's gonna be into one of our posts, okay, one of our blog posts, but the same can be done on pages and any other kind of layout, okay? So if you are using the native WordPress editor, the Gutenberg, how to apply the link? First, you're gonna get the link. You're gonna select some words, for example, right here. You're gonna use this button, link, or CTRL+K. You're gonna enter the link, and there is an option right here, open into a new tab. As soon as you do this, the link is gonna be opening into a new browser tab. Simple, right? Effective and very easy. If you want to learn how to make this, for example, let me show you. Imagine that you have a link on your menu, on your navigation menu. How to make it open into a new tab? We have a tutorial explaining how to do this, but let me explain once again right here. Go to your WP dashboard, review the left sidebar of menus, hover your mouse over appearance and go to menus. Right here, you're gonna review the upper right corner of your screen into a field called Screen Options, just like this. And from here, you can see an amount of new options, okay? And what are these options? Right here, show advanced menu properties, link target, title attribute, link relationship, and description. Mark this to 1, close the tab. And now imagine that you apply some link to a custom website. For example, custom links right here, the URL. Let me apply some text, plugin. Link added. So if I click into this menu, I can set the link, open the link into a new window or tab. After this, click on Save Change. Let's review the website. If I click into plugin, I won't leave the site. I'm just gonna open a new browser tab. Simple, right? Same case on our blog post. And what if we are using the Elementor editor or the WP Bakery or Breezy editor, okay? Site origin loads your editor. Find the text that you would like to apply your link. For example, let me imagine that I would like to apply a link right here into this word. Or maybe right here. We're gonna select the word, post the link, click into this edit icon, click into this gear icon, and select open link into a new tab. Click on update, and now this link is gonna be opening into a new tab. And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. Don't forget to check out our Borderless WordPress plugin in order to gain widgets, elements, templates, and tools to build up your site using Elementor or Gutenberg editor. And you can install all of this for free. Moreover, in the case that you are in need of the best free WordPress theme, go to our WordPress dashboard, appearance, themes, add new, search for Enzo WordPress theme, click on install and activate it. You're gonna be amazed about how many customization options this theme adds to your WordPress website, and even pre-built websites that you can import with a single click, all for free. Moreover, in the case that you want, your site up and running faster, go to visualmodo.com, purchase the Visual Modo Pass, and unlock access to our templates library that is almost like pre-built websites that you can import with a single click. Just change your logo type, some texts, and you have a ready website from the beginning in minutes. Moreover, unlock access to our full support, premium icon packs, templates, blocks, and many more pro features. And it is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best!